week.
We're on the 24th floor.
No, take it away.
What's wrong with it?
It's so dirty, dude. No, look at this. It's moldy.
Kyra is not happy right now. So we're changing rooms.
Because...
It's okay. We have a housemate from South Africa.
Yeah. I'm gonna use washing powder. We're trying to change a light bulb, but the sizes are wrong and no one can communicate properly.
Okay.
No. Okay. Okay.
We're here for our first day of training. And as you can see, the door is locked. We're the first ones here. We didn't want to be late because you never know with like traffic and stuff. So here we are, 1 hour early.
1 hour early.
So this is the smart board that we have to use when we teach, and Kyra is just practicing. Hey! Hi! Welcome back. We are currently in the training, Apax's training accommodation. When it comes to accommodation, like the basics are really important, like pillows, bedding, toilet paper, working lights, hot water, and that's what's missing. But we're optimistic and open-minded, and like everything's gonna be fine. So,
and also we're just telling you guys this because we want to be open and honest about this journey that we're on. We're not trying to be fancy or trying to show you this life that we don't actually have. This is real, and this is what we're going through right now. It's clean now because we've actually cleaned the place, but
it smells like ocean breeze.
Lavender.
Is it lavender?
We got some homework. We have to watch some videos, know how to use the smart board because we're teaching our first lesson tomorrow.
We're doing like a simulation. I don't know. It's a simulation class.
Kim's really excited because it's so different to when she taught in Thailand. So she taught in Thailand for 5 months last year, and yeah, do you want to tell?
Yes, I wanted to say that I'm really excited to work for Apax in Vietnam because the way that they work is so different to Thailand. In Thailand, it was all about like just ticking the boxes. Like if you do your workbook work, it's fine. Like you pass. It wasn't about like actual comprehension and actual speaking English.
We'll keep you updated throughout the week about how it's going. We do have a roommate as well. She's also from South Africa. We actually have 4 South Africans in training with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share our video if you want to.
Also, thank you to everyone who has subscribed already and liked it.
Really, really appreciate all the love and support. It's crazy how like everyone's just so encouraging and supportive of this channel.
Thank you again to everyone who watches our videos, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.